Okay, I found some snap ring pullers. These look expensive.
They are.
You got a small one? These are pretty big.
Oh, you're gonna bring that up, are you?
I don't think these are gonna work. No, these are not the right ones. And by the way, you should not be using the internal snap ring pliers to take off external snap rings. It's going the wrong direction. See, this one goes the correct direction. Look how fat those things are. Those are fat, and those are skinny.
Okay.
You know, if you pick that off that damn wall today when we're over there looking at those pliers, we wouldn't have this problem right now.
I told you I should have given them an ultimatum. You can sell it to me, but one way or the other is coming with me.
Yeah, I can't get this in there.
I got one of those cheap, junky.
Well, give me a cheap, junky one to get in there, because that one's bad. It's too big.
So, if you can see this sign here, this is the second.
Okay. I need a plier here. Snapper ring. Or I'm just going to pry it off with a screwdriver and not worry about it.
All these things can happen, Tatro. All of these things can happen. Alright, how about some cheapy ones? These are probably the cheapy ones.
I don't care. They work. Pull that thing off. Why is this thing all taped up?
Stand to the side. Because it's put away. Look how often it. Listen. Yours is unused. Mine is used. And I. Look, this is my meager.
And whose is your made from?
So, this is Chinese Charlie. But.
That's why you can't use an impact on it.
But. The important part.
That's hot.
Oh, that's the one I ruined.
This is a quality piece of material here. That's, that looks the part, but is not.
I was like, where's that? So there, I bought the Jim's end after I ruined this one.
So this is the Jim's one that doesn't fail. That is the Jim's one. So you're using a Jim's tool mixed together with a piece of crap.
Oh, no, this is everything here is genuine Jim's. Let me help you out here since you're. Oh, they say when you use these, you must use some lube.
Lube? You mean it doesn't have thrust bearings on it? Because they're too cheap to put good tools on it.
We need the lube.
So how come you haven't gone online and bought the thrust bearings yet and put them in there?
Well,
this tool doesn't work either. It's trying to work, but it just doesn't quite stay in there.
it wants to.
It doesn't. This is not working very well. Better look flying off with a hammer.
We are finding the lube.
Did you find the lube? Oh, you're lubing the threads out. Okay. You know, if you had good tools, you wouldn't have that problem. Remember that next time you buy them $20 tools on eBay.
eBay?
eBay.
They do suggest adding heat to this sometimes.
Heat too?
Yep, sometimes they.
The snap ring is not one to come off. You know what? I'm just gonna lose.
Oh, he's mad. Yep. That's the reason the reason for the season for this one right here, huh? Piece of junk. The moral of the story is make sure you keep your shift shaft tight.
Make sure you buy your Ching Chang tools from Jim's. Because there's a reason why they cost more. They tend to work better. You remember that Harley list we had?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Guess what? If I didn't bring one, add that to your list.
Snap rings.
This is now used, and we need another one.
Shift
Here,
shaft.
add that in your pile right there.
Shift shaft.
We might have one though, I don't remember. Fancy washer. Okay, sir, where is your puller? You don't need heat if you have a good tool. So I looked at #1 video in views right now.
Yep.
It's a 33-minute long video and the average view is 8 minutes. So that means we got 3 times the video content they're not watching because it's not very important. So what size hammer do you need to put this together with?
Well, just a touch short. So she might be a little tap here.
I think you need some longer bolts here is what the problem is.
Yep.
Okay.
Just a couple of little love taps on her.
Or you just put it in correctly. So if you had 1/4 inch longer bolts, if you had 1/4 inch longer bolts, it would work. So make these flush on both sides. Okay, we're equal. Now you can use a regular part. Tighten it up. No, don't keep going tighter there. Tighten up that damn screw.
I got you, I got
Get your
you,
zip
man.
gun, let's go.
No, I'm not using zip gun.
Why?
Because we'll ruin it. I learned that lesson already. Did you see my big sign on here? It says, don't use the zip gun.
That is on that pile of crap, not this pile of crap.
If I use a zip gun, we're
You know what we
gonna
should have done? We should have left the shift shafts back in here. So let's put the shift shaft back in here. Because I don't want to put my fingers in and hold that, because I actually like my fingers.
Okay, alright.
Okay, that goes in there. Right where it came from.
I think this one was from this side. Because it felt like that's the center one. I think this is the far side one. I think.
Well, we get the middle too. Put that one in.
Like this?
No. 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 Yes. Okay, get the other one. Get the other one. Put it in. No. No. Center.
What?
Center. Okay, where's your shaft?
What? This guy?
Shaft. No, the other one. Put in the hole. Yeah, let's go. Put in the hole. This side. Yeah, the one with the big hole in it,
Yeah,
not the
big
small
hole.
hole. Okay, line those up.
We run into each other.
Maybe there's something wrong.
Yeah, obviously.
What do you think's wrong? Which one do you think's in there wrong?
I think this one does not belong here. I think it goes up here somewhere.
Nope. Put it back down. Put it in there. They line up better now?
No.
No. You sure? Maybe you should do something different. Who took those out? It's a jigsaw puzzle. You only got 3 choices.
There you go. Okay. Now we line up better.
Oh, you like that better? Okay. Put those in there now.
Alright.
I'm going to take a couple attempts.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright.
You like that? Now, if you make sure these are in high gear.
How do you know it's in high gear?
Turn the main shaft. Does it rotate?
Yes, sir.
Does it stop?
Yeah.
Good. That means you can torque that nut down and not have it turn without getting my fingers in here caught. Not to jam a wood stick in there and break the shaft and teeth off. Or I could put a big monkey wrench on the splines on the high gear to hold it and chew them all up. What are you looking for now? I got your hammer right here.
This.
Where's that zip gun at? Let's tear this thing out. Then go buy a real tool.
No, we're not.
I can make it. I have one.
This is what's
I have one
gonna
right
fail.
over there that looks pretty good.
I think it says on there, do not use impact too.
I have one right over there that looks pretty good. You know how long it would take me not to use an impact on that?
Well, I broke the first one, you know?
No, you didn't break any of them yet because you haven't done anything with it yet. You haven't even used that tool yet.
I have.
Where?
On the red bike,
There's
remember?
not a mark on it.
Huh?
There's not a mark on that tool.
Yeah, man, I used it. I used it on the red bike.
Well, you broke the
I
other one.
replaced it. Remember when I replaced the bearings and all that
You
nonsense?
used this one on the red bike and broke it.
Broke it, and then I bought this and pulled it off, put the other new one on.
Okay, so the Jim's worked and that one didn't. So what's the problem? Where's your zip gun? Let's get this thing off. Let's go. Figure it out. You have to figure out how to use your tools. That probably has a torque reading on it somehow.
What?
That probably has a variable trigger.
Does not. Oh yeah, I got 1, 2, and 3.
Well, once you put on a different one. So you gotta make sure you hold it in gear because it bounce around. Okay, you gonna tighten that or loosen that?
We're gonna loosen her up.
That ain't gonna work.
Oh, you're right. We're right.
Once you get the right size
Yeah,
socket.
right side socket.
That's pretty close to the right size, but it ain't it. It's gonna be another one of half-hour long videos that they're gonna cut off after 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's it. We're out of here.
You're getting closer. Is it moving? You're turning it. Is it moving?
I can't feel anything yet.
Look at the socket. Something's giving.
It's probably my tool.
Go. Did it. Once you hold it with one hand and hit it with a blip with the other hand.
You what?
Hold this so it doesn't move around so much. The direction of rotation we're going to go. Not the direction. Is it coming?
No.
Yo?
No.
No? We'll try more torque. Hit more torque on it. What's it doing now?
I don't think anybody's moving.
Sure? Move the rag so we can see. You gotta be able to see the socket. I want to be able to see the damn socket when you're hitting it so I can see if it's turning or not. Can't be hiding it. Once you let it go all against the stop, that's why I got in 2 gears here. Something's turning. Okay, pull it off, see what's going on. Did you break it yet?
No.
Do you notice they got a lot bigger gap here now than you used to have?
Yep.
Why?
She's moving.
Oh, is that what it was?
Yeah.
Amazing how that works. Let it go against the gear stops while they're there. Why do you got your hand in there? You're trying to hurt it. Why do you keep trying to do the opposite of what I say? Put it against the gear stop. Hold it. What the damn rag out here. Hold on to this thing. Push it toward me. It's going to go in there. Yeah, off. Slide. See it slide? You're noisy. What are you waiting for? Here you go. pops off. I hate electric tools. I like real power tools. They're a lot quieter. You got more control. Look how bright red that gear is. Do you think maybe that seal got cooked when you did all that? Somebody cooked the piss out of that thing. How hot that thing was down there.
What do you think would cause that?
Something in here before? I don't know. Maybe the induction hardened just the end teeth there, maybe, the thread? I don't know. It's been hot there. I don't know if the seal's been hot, but that's been hot. We'll find out when we get the seal out. If the seal's crystallized, we know it got cooked because somebody was trying to use heat instead of power. Okay, so what's the verdict on the Jim's tool? Jim's tool, good. Import tool, bad. Main shaft, not as good as it used to be. Where's the nut? Did we screw up the end of the shaft? Oh, a piece of crap. That's why you buy real tools. Where's your nut?
I don't know.
Well, why don't you find your nut? Okay, we'll be back. We can go find the nut.